meghalayapost.news.
And if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Donald Trump beri Presiden Barim jengkari Amerika Lait Thaw na kejingyap hadi makirunal kila thumu ban siat yap yu hapadeng kejingyap election nen kesingi ha Pennsylvania. Utrom la syatan no mardon na kajayeng jengu hadien kejingriu jengki kuli ha keba ka skor jengu kala tap da kasnam. Ha kejinglang election jengu haswa election Presiden jengkari USA jong snam arjar opsau. Kipulit pakatanat sentiat lembat ki he officer Ialap Ilekshon jengu kila mare mardor syaka jaka bakren Donald Trump bat ker saudong yu bara syakawi pat kejaka basngan. Bad hapadeng kejingka kesnam ukuli ulade hagi benta pesajrong jong skor kaman jengu balait Thaw na kejingyap. Kadba uwei ubriu badan marjan hak jaka ula mensaujur. Ki he officer kila pendikena bahadin kejingsa siat Donald Trump hagi dekat jaka kunhon jele persya jong ke US kebadan kitiar dia lek kibahe wei runar bertemu penjap yo Donald Trump lo siat yap no berdui samla bedang art house nem ka kerta belatip kerteng ke Matthew Brooks.
My name is Thomas Matthew Crooks. I hate Republicans, I hate Trump, and guess what? You got the wrong guy.
Honor, that's exactly where I heard him come from.
What did you see, sir?
I heard the shots. I thought it was firecrackers to begin with. Somebody over there was screaming, he's been shot, he's been shot. So I made my way over. I said, I'm an emergency department physician. Let me help you. The guy had spun around, was jammed between the benches. He had a headshot here. There was lots of blood, and he had brain matter there. And so I got him. There's a helicopter coming in to get him. I got people there really helpful. I got
Was
him
there only
up
one
on the
person
bench.
shot that you saw?
Then I did CPR, did chest compressions as well as I breathed for him.
One person.
I was the only one that did it.
We need to evacuate everybody.
meghalayapost.news.